up everyone, welcome back to another top speed video. Last video I announced that I will reveal my new tier 3 car, and indeed I definitely will because it has arrived in my garage. Let's get to it. Alright, you guys ready? 3, 2, 1, and here it is, my sweet new ride. It's a second generation Mitsubishi Eclipse, or Convente as it is called in the game. For proof, here are the images, both front and rear, of the car that it's based on. I think it looks fantastic. The front grille may be wider than on the real car. Anyways, let us take this thing out for a test drive. Alright. Now, who will we... Alright. I'll just challenge the ladder race first. Alright. Or ranking race. Alright. Let's see how this bad boy performs. Yo, this thing smoked the Panamera even when it's stock. Leveled up, yes. Alright, let's challenge a race again. An M6. I guess I'll definitely win. Oh no, come on. Yes. Let's get on. Wait. Actually, to be honest, I will stick some decals on this thing later. Thanks. What if we just challenge the boss here? I think I'm able to challenge the boss stock. Okay. Okay. Wait, she has the same car. She has the same car. Okay, come on. Come on. Yes. Stock versus stock. I won. You win, but there is one more round ahead of us. Okay, of course. Yeah. Let us challenge the ranking race again. It's an Audi S5. Oh shoot, no. No. No! Come on! Come on! Come on, Eclipse! Yes! That was close. Well, I leveled up again. Let's claim rewards. Challenge again. Oh no. Shifting through first and second gear is actually kind of like challenging in Eclipse. Maybe because of wheel spin, but I don't think that's gonna happen because I believe this model is the Eclipse GSX, which was the top trim level of the 2G Eclipse, which has all-wheel drive, so I don't think wheel spin makes sense here. Yo, got the same car. Challenge me. Okay. Both races are getting hard. Now time to give this thing some nitros. Alright, that's not enough. Maybe give them an exhaust upgrade. An engine upgrade. Maybe add stickier tires to improve grip to solve that wheel spin problem. Also save weight, cause weight reduction, bro. Alright, I think that's it. Still not enough. Okay, let's upgrade the turbo. Install a bigger turbo. I think I want to upgrade the transmission. Wait, no. More power! Upgrade the exhaust for a freer airflow. Alright, let's just save more weight. Alright. Let's challenge her again. Meet Rudolph. Did you mean my next opponent? Ah. Oh no. No. Come on. Come on, Eclipse. Rudolph. This dude. Wait. He's their leader's favorite. Huh? Anyways, that's the first impression of my Eclipse. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The Eclipse is the car that I'll be using throughout Tier 3 and my future top speed videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.